Hi you guys. Okay, so the YouTube algorithm people have spoken. I got an email saying, hey, you either post something more regularly or let me show you guys what renovations I actually did to the home. So I changed the backsplash and I wonder, let me see if I can just turn this around. There you go. I changed the backsplash. I'm actually going to change the backsplash again. I don't know what do you guys think of this backsplash mixed in with this countertop? I really, I don't know. I like it, but I'm thinking of going with more of a white neutral color and maybe not something that gives off so much depth and dimension to it. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I changed the backsplash. I'm thinking of changing that again. Expensive as that endeavor will be. But I do plan on being in this home and I don't plan on selling it ever because I believe in ownership, and that's for a different video. But I believe in ownership, so I do plan on, God willing, being able to buy more properties, but I don't plan on selling this particular property. I plan on holding this and trying to continue to build generational wealth through it. But I did replace this countertop as the countertop. I'm absolutely obsessed with this countertop. It took forever to choose it out. I wish I would have blogged through it. I don't know what I've been doing with my life, you guys. But yes, it's probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite feature in the home is this countertop. So I really feel good about the choices that I made here. It's called Blue Flower. And so you can kind of see like blue tints. And I try to pick the backsplash to match, but it didn't quite go on. I mean, it looks good. I mean, but it's like maybe from a 1 to a 10, I might rate it a 5 or 6. But I'm looking for maybe at least an 8, you know? So that's the thing. I also painted the cabinets white. I replaced the floors. I will include before and after pictures if I can. The staircase, I demolished all of this and I got stair railings installed because I think those are a lot prettier. They open up the space a lot more. They just look better in my opinion. So I did that. I did replace the front, the foyer floor because the floors looked fine, but I got the vibe of I wanted something more updated, so that's why I replaced the floors, and I replaced the foyer floors. Later on, maybe in a few years, I'll probably replace the carpet as well. I got the whole house painted. That was an endeavor trying to choose the right color, and I was really freaking myself out, you guys, because I kept thinking, good God, this is gonna be the color that's through the house. If I mess up and pick some weird color that's going to go through the house, it's thousands of dollars down the drain, and I'm going to feel really, really crappy about it. So I ended up being really, really happy with the color choices that I made for my home. I also replaced all of the lights throughout the home because they were so old and outdated in my opinion. So I replaced all the lights. And I'll make a separate video of my home buying experience. But another thing that I did was I replaced all of the toilets. I also cleaned the vents. I think that's really important, you guys. I was learning all of this as I was going, by the way. This is not, a lot of the things is not something that I just came in knowing. But I replaced all, I knew that I was going to do this part as far as replacing the toilet with a bidet. So I have 3 bidets in the home for all 3 toilets, and it's remote control operated, and it's one of the best decisions I ever made, actually. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna make a separate video on this for sure. So yeah, this is another feature that I just really love about the home. So in this room, I'm gonna have to paint it because you can see when you put down when you put down the seats, you can kind of see the residue. And also this brown color doesn't look that good either, but that's just a future project that I don't mind taking my time on. But those are some of the, or most of the updates that I made in my new home. So I'm really, really excited. I'm finally, for the most part, settled in, and I'm going to be making more videos on this. So please leave it in the comment below as far as what you would like for me to talk about. I'm going to try some different topics, what you would like to see. But I'm really, really glad to be settled in and kind of hopping back on right after seeing that email. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.